This simple guide will show you how to publish your website in Webflow after making changes. If you've been working on refining your website and you're ready to push those changes live, this is the tutorial for you. Webflow makes it fairly straightforward, but knowing exactly where to go can save you time and ensure everything is updated correctly. First, you'll want to head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see all the websites you've created or have access to. This is your central hub for all things Webflow. Now take a look at your list of sites, find the one you've been working on and want to update. Click on it, and this will take you into the site's specific dashboard. This is where you can manage everything related to that particular website, from designing to settings, and of course, publishing your changes. At the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a button labeled Publish. Click on this button to open a drop-down menu. This is where you can choose exactly how you want your site to be published. Webflow provides options to publish to your custom domain, Webflow staging domain, or both. For this tutorial, we'll focus on publishing to the selected domain. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Publish to Selected Domain. Clicking this will push all the recent changes you've made to your live site. Depending on the complexity and size of your site, this process can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Webflow will handle the rest, ensuring that your updates are reflected on the live version of your site. And there you have it. You've successfully published your website updates in Webflow. It's always a good idea to check your live site once more to make sure everything looks just as you planned. Sometimes a quick refresh is all that's needed to see the changes take effect. If you spot something that doesn't look right, you can always head back to Webflow, make the necessary adjustments, and publish again. Remember, frequent publishing is a good practice, especially if you're making regular updates. It keeps your site fresh and ensures your audience always sees the most current version. Plus, Webflow's publishing process is quick and efficient, so there's no reason to hold back on those updates. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Webflow support guides and community forums are a great resource for troubleshooting and learning more about all the features available. Thanks for watching and happy designing.